I'm going to be making a 2-for-1 soap today, and this is going to be a natural, 100% natural soap, and it's going to have goat's milk in it, plant-based colors, and essential oils. So I'm making 2 small batches because I still have some left over from last time I made it, and I'm trying to get kind of on a schedule of making the natural soaps once a year. So I'm trying to even that, shore that up right there. Okay, so with this one, I'm going to be doing rosemary mint, and I'm going to be doing sea forest, and they're going to have the same base oils, the same base infusion of the greens. And if you can see this, it looks actually really pretty in person. I'm not sure how it's going to look. I tried to set it up so you can see the colors, but this is plant-based. I have there's basil, there's dandelion, and spinach, and nettle. I've never used nettle before. It's supposed to be wonderful for the skin, and I'm hoping the green will come through because green is very elusive in natural colors. I have, you can see in the bottom of my essential oils, I've got some clay in there. I've got some French green clay to help anchor the scent and also add some green to that. So typically when I cut the bars, they're going to be gorgeous in green and have those wonderful swirls, and then by the time they cure, the green is pretty much, it's faded out. So the rosemary mint one, this is the one that I made last time. And if you can see it, it's kind of just, it's got some swirls, it's got some pretty colors, but it's just a nice neutral, kind of a greenish tan. And the blend does not have any, it's very clear. It doesn't have any discoloration. So the essential oils I use in this one, I've got rosemary, eucalyptus, spearmint, and I think that's it. Let me look real quick. Eucalyptus, peppermint, spearmint, and rosemary. So those are the ones that I've got in that one. And then sea forest, I'm going to be using, and you can see that one's got some yellow. And same thing here. It does have like a kind of a yellow cast, but that's because it has lemongrass in it. It does cause some of that tan or discoloration. And then I'm going to be doing some blue swirls of indigo in there. So the essential oils that I use in that one, I have lemongrass, cedarwood, rosemary, and eucalyptus. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of the indigo, so hopefully I'll get some of that those pretty swirls in there. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish getting my soaps my oils all set up, ready to go, and we'll come back when it's time to pour the soap. Again, goat's milk, and that goat's milk does cause some warm tones, so it's gonna add some more of those tan colors in there. All right, we'll see you here in a little bit.